How to fix blurry video in CapCut. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix blurry video in CapCut. In order to fix blurry video in CapCut, you will need to export it in the highest resolution. Also, you will need to follow the steps to enhance the clarity and overall quality of your video. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your CapCut application on your device. And once you open the application, you will land on this page. Here you'll be able to see this new project option. Tap on new project and now select a blurry video you would like to edit. Once you have added your video to the timeline, now you will need to tap on it to select it. And here you will need to scroll to the left side. Once you scroll to the left, you will be able to see various options. Locate the adjust option from this section and tap on it. You can tap on this brightness icon and increase the brightness if the video appears to be dark. You can slide the slider to the right side to increase the brightness. Once you are done, you can tap on this tick mark at the top right. You may also adjust your contrast to enhance details. Tap on this contrast icon next to brightness and increase it. You may also tap on this saturation icon for more vivid colors. Also, you can choose the sharpen option to increase sharpness to enhance edges and details. After you are done, you can tap on this tick mark at the top right. You may also use the effects or filters option. For that, you need to tap on this filters option at the left next to the adjust option and then select a filter you would like to set. You may also adjust the slider of this effect to be applied on your video. Also note that some filters may require a Pro subscription. If you haven't subscribed to the Pro subscription yet, you'll not be able to use them. After that, you can also tap on this video quality option next to adjust. And here you can select the image quality, reduce noise, optical flow, and remove flickers to stabilize the image quality. But note that these options require Pro subscription. After you are done editing, you can tap on the tick mark right here. And once you are satisfied with the adjustment, you can tap on this resolution at the top right and select the highest resolution. You may also choose the frame rate, quote rate from here. Once doing that, now you can tap on this export button at the top right and now wait for it to be exported. After that, you'll be able to see you have fixed your blurry video in your CapCut. So by following these steps, you should be able to improve the quality of your blurry videos in CapCut. Also note that if your video is still not clear after this adjustment, you can consider re-recording with the better lighting or stabilization technique in order to avoid blurriness in your projects. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.